Think you've seen it all? Think again. These gadgets aren't just smart, they're on a whole other level. From mind-blowing designs to features you didn't even know you needed, each one will have you asking, where has this been all my life? Buckle up, this is going to be fun. Number 10, MetMo Fractal Vise. This isn't just any clamp. It's a brilliantly designed tool that adjusts to nearly any shape. MetMo Fractal Vise has interlocking jaws that mold themselves to whatever you place inside, holding it firm without crushing or scratching. Whether you're securing a fragile 3D printed part, a delicate watch, or even glass, it grips with surprising care. But it doesn't stop there. You can also flip it into a stand for your phone or make it the star of your next DIY project. And the best part? It's small enough to slide right into your pocket. A tool this precise and portable is a no-brainer. If you're into cool tools or just love unique gadgets, this one deserves a spot on your desk. Hit the like button, drop a comment, and check the link in the description. Number 9, MO/GO. Imagine you're hiking uphill, knees bracing for the burn. Then you feel a boost with every step, like the hill got shorter. That's the magic of MO Go. Smart mobility assist pants that help power your legs. These high-tech hiking pants are hiding something special. Motors, sensors, and a micro-brain that kicks in right when you need extra strength. Climbing, they push your stride. Going downhill, they stabilize your knees. It adds about 40% support without turning you into a robot. They feel just like regular pants, but packed with help. If you've got joint issues, recovering from something, or just want to go further, MO Go can totally change the game. Number 8, Newtral Freedom-X. Working, gaming, or just chilling out? This chair's got your back, literally. Newtral Freedom-X isn't your stiff office chair. It flows with you, adjusting to every move without fighting your posture. You want to work? Slide out the tray and drop in your laptop. Want to lean back, recline, and let the armrests and footrests shift right along with you. Got pets? There's even space to chill with them. And when you want to glide around the room, its wheels move smooth like butter. Whether you're in deep work mode or just lounging with your headphones on, this chair becomes whatever you need. Make your setup smarter and way more comfortable. Smash the like, leave a comment, and peep the link in the description. Number 7, Wireless Portable Mini Soldering Station. No more waiting forever for your soldering iron to heat up. This portable soldering station fires up in just 2 seconds, and it's tiny enough to toss in a bag. But don't let the size fool you. It's got full precision temperature control and enough power to handle serious tasks. Whether you're fixing gadgets, customizing boards, or doing small repairs on the go, it's ready. Plus, it runs on removable lithium batteries, so you're not stuck near a plug. Bonus, built-in fan means you're not choking on smoke. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you managed without it. For makers, tech lovers, and repair geeks, this one's a win. Number 6, Withings BeamO. You won't believe how much this little gadget does. Withings BeamO packs temperature scanning, heart rate checks, ECG, and even stethoscope functions, all into a pocket-sized tool. Need to take a quick health reading at home or while traveling? Just hold it near and it starts working, contact-free. What's awesome is the onboard display that gives you instant results. No need to fumble with apps. Whether you're checking in daily or using it with the whole family, it turns health tracking into something quick and easy. If you care about staying ahead on health, this one's worth it. Like the video, comment how you'd use this, and scroll down to find the link to order yours. Number 5, Homey Pro. Got a bunch of smart gadgets, but they don't play nice? Homey Pro fixes that. It connects your devices, no matter the brand, into one simple app. From lights to thermostats to even older stuff using infrared, it all works together. You can create routines like dimming lights and locking doors when you leave home, or go deep with multi-step automations that run when your camera spots someone or it's time to wake up. Homey Pro works locally too, so even if the internet cuts out, your home keeps running. No monthly fees, no complicated setup, just smart living made easy. If you're serious about home automation, this hub's a must. Smash, like, share your favorite smart device in the comments. Number 4, MacroDock. Here's the productivity boost you didn't know you needed. MacroDock is 2 beasts in one. a macro pad for shortcuts, and a hub that connects all your gear. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or designing, it supports over 200 plugins across popular apps like OBS, Twitch, and more. Rotate a knob to zoom, scrub a timeline, or adjust audio levels instantly. On top of that, it handles high-speed connections, SD cards, 8K displays, and all your peripherals. Switch between tasks without juggling cables or opening 10 apps. For creatives and multitaskers, it's a total game changer. Hit that like button. Let us know how you'd use it. Number 3, COWZRY Power Bank. Tired of dragging tangled cords and bulky power banks everywhere? COWZRY's got your back. This slim little device packs a punch with a 3,000 milliamp hour battery and even has a built-in cable so you're never stuck hunting for the right one. And it doesn't stop at phones. It wirelessly charges your smartwatch too. It's ideal for people who live on the go and hate clutter. Lightweight, pocket-sized, and super convenient, it's the kind of gear you don't leave home without. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just like having backup juice at all times, this thing delivers. Number 2, Solo Stove Mesa. Some evenings just call for real flames. Solo Stove Mesa brings fire to your patio or campsite without the smoke cloud. It burns wood or pellets cleanly, giving you that cozy vibe without watering eyes. Small enough for a table, strong enough for a chill night with s'mores and stories. Its stainless steel body looks sleek and stands up to the heat. Set it down, light it up, and let it work its magic. No heavy setup, no gas, just real fire made simple. If you enjoy gathering outdoors, this is your new favorite thing. Number 1, MILERD Detoxer. Here's a wild one. It looks like a futuristic bottle, but it actually cleans your food. The MILERD Detoxer uses ultrasonic waves and active oxygen to remove stuff tap water misses. We're talking pesticides, bacteria, even heavy metals, all broken down at the molecular level. You just toss it in a container with your food, press a button, and it starts cleaning everything from fruits to seafood. Plus, it's touchscreen controlled and doesn't use harsh chemicals. You keep the vitamins and flavor, lose the junk. It's fast, safe, and a major upgrade to your kitchen routine. Show some love with a like, share how you'd use it in the comments, and grab the buy link from the description below. Pretty wild, right? Whether you're into tech, tools, or just cool stuff that makes life easier, there's something here for everyone. If any of these blew your mind, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next drop. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments below.